Allow me to present the Visual Design Tool service of INGATLANSÉTA. You may need a visual design tool when the property is not ready to be photographed. In this case, we create a three-dimensional model of the property, we furnish it in the style you choose, and we create a tool. Here you can see a tool created from a three-dimensional model. Everything works the same way as in common property tools. The same functions are available. The only difference is that this tool presents an imaginary reality. This modeled space can be synchronized with the photographed space, which is useful in case of renovations. Now let's see what we need in order to create a visual design tool. We need nothing else but a common traditional floor plan. This is a two-dimensional floor plan provided with sizes. The plan can be a final construction drawing or a plan approval. Based on this, we build up the property's walls, we build the doors, then we furnish the property in the style you choose. If you want us to furnish the property in more styles, you have to specify the styles you find suitable. Simply choose the style in which you want us to furnish and design the room, for example the living room, the bathroom, the dining room or the kitchen. Then send us pictures of the specific style. You can find several useful pictures on the internet. If you send us some of them, we will have a clear idea of the style based on which we can work. When the tool is ready, it can be published on the internet and attached to advertisements in the same way as in case of ordinary tools. The same functions will be available as well. Pictures also belong to the tool, so you get the three-dimensional floor plan and two-dimensional images which you can use for advertising. You also get a QR code, just like in case of other tools. This helps you to access the tool via a smartphone. You can use the VR mode here as well. If you choose to use the VR mode, you can visit the property with a VR headset, placing a smartphone in it.